Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Redmi 12 Plus Pro, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place, we have really beautiful theme. And open the themes store. If you don't have themes icon on your home screen, you can just open the settings and then here find themes. And finds theme on the third place in my top is Rainbow Moon World. Find the theme with the live wallpapers and click download. And great, as you can see, we have downloaded the theme, so now just click apply. And go back to the home screen, and as you can see here we have a beautiful theme. The theme redraws all icons. This is not maybe the best redrawing of icons, but here we have, as you can see, the arrow style on our notification panel. Here in the settings, if you will open, as you can see, we have this theme background too. This is very beautiful, but as you can see here we have the problem that text is not too readable. So if you don't often open in the settings, so I think this is the best choice for you. But as you can see, the theme has the warm colors of the system, and it looks really great. Okay, on the second place in my top is Mountain Fog theme. So wait a while and try to find it. Find the theme and click download. Click apply and go back to the home screen. And the theme, as you can see, the theme is really beautiful. Here we have beautiful wallpapers on the settings menu. Here we have beautiful wallpapers on the lock screen. And as you can see, the theme has light colors. The theme has normal fonts and normal color of the font, and not too exposure background. In this way, all settings are readable, and it looks really beautiful and fresh. And on the first place in my top, wait a while, need to close these. And on the first place, I don't know why, but I can't find this theme using the search. We need to swipe down and find here one of the premium themes. Wait for it. Okay, I'll try to find it. So this theme has name Hydrogen Ball. But something, I don't know why, but the theme something has name Oxygen Ball. Purple Ball, okay. Purple Ball. Oh, okay, Gradient Ball. I don't know why, but the theme every month, every week change the name. Sometimes it's Hydrogen Ball, sometimes it's Oxygen Ball, but now it's Gradient Ball. I don't know why, but try to find it, click download. Earlier this theme was premium. Earlier you was need to pay for it, but now this theme is completely for free. And this theme redraws your icons. This theme redraws your background, and it looks really fresh and pretty. But why I love this theme, because this theme has really beautiful lock screen. To unlock this, as you can see here, we have notifications in these simple icons, simple pop-ups, messages. To unlock this phone, you need to swipe from left to right, not from down to up. But if you will swipe from down to up, you can change the appearance of this theme, and it looks really great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, and bye. See you.